Is the rule of law being ignored from the top? A new analysis reveals a stunning pattern of defiance by the Trump administration, disregarding court rulings, concealing evidence, and undermining the very legal system it swore to uphold. What happens when the executive branch refuses to play by the rules? A sweeping investigation by the Washington Post has uncovered a disturbing trend. The Trump administration is accused of flouting court orders in over one-third of the cases it has lost in federal court. Out of 337 lawsuits filed since Donald Trump took office, judges have ruled in 165. Yet, in at least 57 of those cases, plaintiffs allege that the administration has simply ignored the court's decisions. This isn't just a minor oversight, it's a blatant disregard for the law. We're talking about refusing to comply, withholding evidence, and continuing policies that were explicitly blocked by the courts. Legal experts are calling this a widespread non-compliance with America's legal system. Federal agencies under the Trump administration have been accused of failing to turn over required documents, providing misleading or false information, and quietly continuing illegal actions after court orders blocked them. This pattern of defiance spans critical areas like immigration, environmental protections, public health, and civil rights. What's even more alarming is the response from the judiciary. Judges, appointed by both Republican and Democratic presidents, have consistently ruled against the administration, yet none have imposed serious penalties to force compliance. This silence raises profound questions about judicial authority and enforcement in an era where political leadership seems willing to override the law. The Trump administration has often accused judges of political bias, labeling them as activist judges whenever rulings don't align with their agenda. Critics argue that this rhetoric undermines trust in the judicial system and erodes the constitutional balance of powers. One legal analyst put it bluntly, "This isn't about winning or losing a case. It's about whether any administration, Democrat or Republican, can openly ignore the courts and face no consequences." The numbers are staggering, but the implications are even more sobering. If the White House can repeatedly ignore court rulings without consequence, what does that say about the state of American democracy? Judicial orders are not suggestions, they are legal mandates. When defiance becomes the norm, accountability becomes optional. And when no branch steps in to enforce the law, the balance of power tilts dangerously out of line. The question now isn't just whether laws are being broken, but whether they're still being enforced. When courtrooms lose their authority, the Constitution loses its teeth. This is a legal crisis unfolding in real time, and it demands our attention. The integrity of our democracy hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to stay informed and engaged.